In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use grids and guides in PowerPoint. Whether you're a seasoned presenter or just starting to explore the world of presentations, mastering grids and guides is an essential skill. It helps you align your content precisely, making your slides not only more visually appealing but also easier to understand. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. If you haven't already opened it, go ahead and do so now. Once you've launched PowerPoint, the next step is to locate the specific presentation you want to work on. So if it's not already up, go ahead and open your PowerPoint presentation so we're all ready to explore these great tools together. Now direct your attention to the top of the PowerPoint window. You'll see various tabs listed there. You'll want to find the one labeled View. This tab is crucial because it hosts an array of tools designed to enhance how you navigate and organize your slides. Click on it, and you'll notice more options appear below. As we move forward, here's where the customization magic begins. In the View tab, you'll see options for adjusting things like slide size, layout features, and further down under the Show group, you'll see checkboxes labeled Grid and Guides. These two nifty tools are going to be your new best friends when designing slides that look polished and professional. Next, let's focus on grids. Find the checkbox labeled Grid and give it a click. By enabling this, you'll see a pattern of lines appear across your slide layout. Grids are a fantastic way to ensure that the elements on your slides align perfectly. They provide a visual framework that helps you space out your content uniformly, thus maintaining a consistent and clean look throughout your entire presentation. Now, let's shift to guides. Similar to grids, guides also help in aligning objects on your slides. By checking the box for guides, you will activate two lines, a vertical and a horizontal line, that you can move around to help position your items precisely. These guides are incredibly flexible and can be dragged across your slide to align with specific elements, ensuring that everything looks symmetrical and balanced. Guides are particularly useful for aligning text boxes, images, and other objects. So experiment with these lines to find the setup that works best for your design. And that's all there is to it. By utilizing grids and guides, you bring a level of precision to your slides that ensures each element is thoughtfully placed. Whether you're preparing for a business pitch, an academic presentation, or a casual project, these tools allow you to present your information in a clear and structured manner. Thanks for joining today, and I hope you find these tips helpful in elevating your PowerPoint skills.